Hello and welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see how to access latitude longitude and how to get that latitude longitude inside the address. So first we will get the latitude longitude of my mobile device, and then I will convert that latitude longitude in the form of address. So how to do that one we'll check in this video. So this is my Windows application, and this is the console. And how to get this one, you need to go inside the Chrome, and once if you have installed the Ionic application, you will get something like this inside the inspect devices. And once you click on the inspect, you will get window like this. So this is the application. Already installed my application, as this is a native based application, as we are going to access the geolocation, so we need to run that application on your device. So after installing the apk, this is the same apk I have running in my device. So once I will click on the get location on my device, let me click on that. So inside, when I have clicked on my device, I am getting something like this: my current address details, latitude, longitude, country code, country name, postal code, administrative area, sub administrative area, locality, sub locality, and these are some other fields. So we need to start the application as the blank. We are going to start from the beginning. So we need to take this application as the blank, and you have to open this application with Visual Studio. You can use any of the editor if you want, is based on your requirement and system. So after this installing the blank application, we need to install these two plugin. One is the geolocation plugin, and one is the geocoder. So why we need two plugin here? So one plugin, the application has the two part. One part is the to get the device current location in latitude or longitude format, and another one is that to get that latitude or longitude into the address. So the geolocation plugin will help us to get the current device location in the latitude or longitude format, and this native geocoder plugin will help us to convert that latitude longitude inside into the address. So how to do that one we'll check in this video. Now let me come to the code part. So after installing that Cordova plugin and after installing the geolocation and native geocoder inside your this application, these two plugin, after installing these two plugin in your application, you just need to go inside your app module.ts file, and here you need to import these two geolocation file inside your application app module.ts file. So just import it inside your application, and you need to add inside your providers also geolocation and native geocoder. Okay, now come to the, as it is the blank application, so we don't have the much thing. We will just directly have the home page here. So come to the home page. Let me first tell you the homepage.html. So what we have done here, we have that is the already there. We the blank will have some title, so just replace the title in with your locate yourself application title. You can put anything, and that once the user click on this get location button, then it will call the function which is the get lock function. So that is that only locate yourself and get location. So this one is the get location button. Once the user click on that, it will call the get lock function. So if you go inside the homepage.ts file, we have the get lock function here. So before doing that, we need to import that geolocation from the geolocation.njx Ionic native, and the native geocoder and native geocoder option from a native geocoder /njx. After importing that, come to the constructor part. We need to define these two variable here, that is reference geolocation and native geocoder. And after defining the reference, we can directly call the function of that geolocation to get the current position. So to get the current position, we need to pass the maximum age and timeout with enable high accuracy as true. So these parameter we need to pass inside the get current position. So this function will give me the current position of my device. So in the response, what we are gonna do, from the response we are gonna like put those value inside the this dot latitude, this dot longitude in our application, like our inside our application. So latitude and longitude are my as a number variable, so I will have that those data inside my this variable. So once I have that those data, like we got our latitude longitude here. So if you run application from this from here only, you will get latitude and longitude inside your this. You can directly print in the console and you can check that data. Okay, and once we have that data, we are going to call the reverse geocode. The reverse geocode function, what it will do, it will take the latitude longitude and the option one parameter as the geocoder option here, user local as true, and max result equal 5. So we need to pass this parameter and then the result of any. And once we have those data, we are just printing that result inside the console, and we will get that 5 record, like nearest of that 5 of result, and we will just taking the first one result of array that will be come in the array. We are just taking that the first one only. So user location, and then console.log this dot user location. If any error, then we will just catch that error and put in the console for the like our purpose. And if in case of any issue we are not able to get the record, then we will just say the cannot retrieve location or error in getting location. So you can check this whole thing and in your application, and you can just do that one. So once we have the data, like that result, we are storing that result inside the user location, and we are also printing this dot console dot this dot user location. So let me come to that home page.html. So we are checking that if ngf user location is there, then we are printing the your current address details is like this, as the user location dot latitude longitude, user location, country code, country name, all these things we are printing one by one here inside the ion item. So these are the item list. We will just iterate it one by one, and we are just printing this data on the HTML page. So let me run the application once again on my device and show you the output and go through one by one with the code as well. So whenever the first time we will get let me refresh it so that we will get the fresh window here. So the first time we will have the only get location button, and which is running on my device only. And after we have installed all the plugin here, and whenever I will click on the get lock function, it will call this whole thing. Like it will get the latitude longitude, it will assign that latitude longitude inside this variable, and using the reverse geocode it will get the address of current address in the array format, which is the top 5, and we are getting the first one result, and the result of 0 we are just putting that inside the user location variable, and we are on the front end we are just printing it one by one. So whenever I click on the get location, and if we check on here, so once I will click on the get location, I'm getting the data in the list format. So if you see, we are getting the data like in the first top 5, which is the current in that latitude longitude, whichever is matching, we are getting that data inside the using the reverse geocode. And then we are getting only the top one, which is the first one, 01. Okay, and we are just printing on the front end. So if you have any doubt, any question, then please put in the comment section. I will definitely reply on that. I will check, and I will definitely try to resolve those also end to end. And please subscribe to my channel, friend. Thank you so much.